before you ask, yes, this is all I'm eating because I'm small and I can't eat a lot of stuff, okay? Today, guys, we are going to be doing a mukbang, and it's a Domino's one. And I got some kiwi strawberry juice here in my I love my cat cup, because I do love my cat. She's over there eating, so if you hear a little munching, that's her. Okay, so I got some Alfredo pasta with no chicken. I don't like the chicken in it. And I got a small pie with extra cheese and pepperoni on one side. So here is my pie, and then we have the pasta right up in here. So let me turn around and show you. That's how it looks right there. And then we have my pasta. I'm just gonna take it out the thingy. I'm gonna take it out the box. So this is what I got going on. Leave the box on the floor. All right, so I'm gonna show you the pasta. Anyway, guys, I wanted to do this mukbang so I could sit down and eat my dinner while I talk to you about some updates that's gonna be going on this channel. Ooh, look at that. What's gonna be going on is a lot of new content. I might be making a second channel, all for my gaming. So if you guys are interested in subscribing to a gaming channel, that's gonna be coming soon, because I'm also gonna be building my first PC, which is very exciting. So, you know, if you know me personally, you know that when I'm very passionate about something, I do copious amounts of research and constantly up late at night, you know, doing my thing and wondering what I need and when I don't need, what's my budget, and all that stuff. Just gonna leave that right there. And yeah, I'm excited. I love gaming, guys. Like I've played games since I was younger, and my dad actually got me into video games. That's good. But yeah, he got me into video games. I remember when I was younger, he would play a game called Fatal Frame. To me, when I was younger, that game was the most creepiest and scariest game. And if you guys are interested in actually checking it out, I will link some YouTubers down below that actually play that game. Anyway, and besides Fatal Frame, he would play Resident Evil, Mortal Kombat. Like, those games were so bomb when I was young, and they still are. I've seen the new Fatal Frame games. They're okay. I know the recent ones were about the Suicide Forest and and a mask, like something about a mask, I forgot. And they're okay. The new Resident Evil is really good. Number 7, I really love that one. The new Mortal Kombat's I've seen people play, so fucking awesome. Especially the death scenes. What? I'm sorry if my nose, like, when I eat good food and fast, my nose starts to drip. I don't know why. Also, Silent Hill was a really good game. So yeah, Silent Hill was a good game. My favorite is number 4, when he's like locked in his apartment. That's good. So, what I was saying. So yeah, I'm gonna start doing a gaming channel. If you guys are interested in subscribing, let me know. Comment down below if you want me to do a gaming channel, because that's something I want to look forward to. I hope you guys are eating with me. And if you are, comment what you're eating. I remember when being a mukbanger first came out, and people thought, that's so weird, why would other people want to watch other people eat? And I actually get it, because I actually watch a lot of mukbangers. You guys want a bite? It's like, I actually understand, like, it's like interesting, you know, it's satisfying watching somebody eat, but who would have thought in 2019 people will watch other people eat? So good. I don't know about you guys, but I love pepperoni. My favorite. I'm sorry my table's small. You can't really see everything. My mug is really big. So, I gotta talk to you guys about putting up your Christmas trees before Thanksgiving. Okay? That is my biggest pet peeve in the entire universe. You know Thanksgiving's a holiday too, right? Like, aren't you gonna be thankful to stuff your face?
Do not put up your tree before Thanksgiving, okay? It's just annoying. It's frustrating because even when you go into stores, they already have a whole bunch of Christmas stuff out, and it's like, Thanksgiving is not even here yet, and you're already pushing Christmas down my throat.
It's like, I don't know if you guys could tell, but there's might be like a weird light anomaly going on behind me, but the tree is right there. And you know when we put up the tree?
December 1st, okay, not November 5th or November 21st or no, okay, December 1st.
Anyway, yeah, do not do it. My cat is just laying next to her food bowl. She has food in it. Ginger Bean, you okay? You okay? You alright? It's okay, Juju. Did you guys like the Taco Bell mukbang? I thought it had some satisfying crunch sounds. Fun fact. When I was younger and I would eat pizza, Domino's, I would always eat like the actual pizza itself, but with like homemade pizza that you would get at a pizzeria. I would eat off the pepperoni, eat off the cheese, and then eat the bread. I don't know. I was a weird child. Still am a weird child, but you know what I mean. I'm probably not gonna eat all that pizza. I'll probably leave some for my dad. Okay, I'm gonna have one more slice and then I'm gonna leave the rest to my dad. Okay, so I have a video coming out after this. It's gonna be out by tomorrow because it's an hour-long video that I have to edit down, and I'm basically reacting to a scary movie. Like I told you guys on my Instagram, if you haven't followed my Instagram yet, I will post it over here or down below. Yeah, so on my story, I told you guys that I was going to be reacting to a movie from 2013, and that movie was Evil Dead. So I've never seen the movie before. I've seen trailers. If you guys know me, I love horror movies, but this movie was gory, let me tell you. So when it comes to scary movies, I like supernatural movies and all that stuff. Anyway, sci-fi horror, like all that stuff. So when I saw the trailer for this movie for 2013, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do a reaction to this because I've never seen it. I've seen trailers. The trailers creep me the fuck out. And also when it comes to movies of the horror variety, especially when it comes to doll movies such as Chucky, right? Love the movies, but the most recent one, I want to stab whoever made it, because that is the worst Chucky movie in the world. Like, I'm sorry, I hated it. Like, if I put a picture side by side by the old Chucky and the new Chucky, you would want to stab the creator too, you know? Because it's like, in the old Chucky movies, it was all about a murderer who got killed and transferred his soul into a doll. Correct, right? Okay. In this one, I think it was like in Guatemala or Peru or one of those countries. It was based there that they were making these Chucky dolls. But instead of it being a murderer's soul in the doll, they made it all digital and all robot-y, and they programmed the doll. So, like, in the movie, one of the workers was, like, being abused by the manager, I'm guessing. And he took off all of the safety protocols on the doll. It's like, why would you need safety protocols for a doll? You know? Because anybody, any hacker could get into that doll and fuck with people. Anyways, so he takes off all the safety protocols, and then suddenly the doll learns how to be evil. And it's like, that's the most stupidest adaptation of a Chucky movie I've ever seen in my entire life. It's gotta go. It's gotta go in the garbage. It's gotta get burned. It's just, I can't. I really can't. I hate it. Because people know I like Chucky. So they're like, oh, you should watch the new one. I was like, if I watch the new one, I'm going to hate it. I should have reacted to that on a video. But I was like, you know what? I'm relaxed. I'm home from work. Let me see what this is about. So yeah, my reaction was hilarious. I fucking hated that movie. It was predictable. It was cliche, and not in the good way. It was just stupid. Oh, another thing. In the old Chucky movie, in the old Child's Play, you know how they, how Chucky pushed his mom out of the window? They didn't do that this time. She was fine the whole movie. Like, what? That scene was iconic, okay? When Chucky pushed the freaking kid's mom out the window. Come on. That was the epitome of Chucky, like, being an asshole, being unpredictable, you know? But whatever. I can say the only movie, scary movie, that made me feel like I would have nightmares is The Conjuring. Like, that's the only thing, you know? This is like, you could be possessed by a demon or a really evil spirit. I believe in all that stuff. I believe in spirits and aliens and unicorns and fairies and mermaids. Most people say that would be a fantasy. Like it's a fairy tale or a myth. But it's like, where do those myths come from? You know? Like, whose mind got so crazy that they dreamt up all these creatures? I don't think they did. Also, another thing. When it comes to cats, I don't think cats were like made from here, if that makes sense. If that makes sense. I think cats were brought here by aliens. To be honest. So, welcome to my TED Talk. So, what was I saying? So, yeah, cats. As you see by my mug, I love my cat, you know? But I don't think she's from this world. I think she's from a different dimension, different planet. Because if you look closely at cats' eyes, or like snake's eyes, or like a goat's eyes, like their eyes are not normal. You know? It's like if you look at a dog's eye, it looks like a normal eye, right? But cats have like that pupil that, you know, gets skinny. And then goats have that eyeball that's sideways. And snakes are just snakes. I actually love snakes. I don't know. Usually when people see me, they think makeup, cutesy, kawaii, you know? And they wouldn't suspect me to like snakes, spiders, tattoos, piercings, cars. I love cars. Video games, anime. What else? Smell it. What was I gonna say? So yeah, when people see me, they don't expect me to like certain things. I also like bourbon and whiskey. I love whiskey sours. Those shits are so bomb. When it comes to drinking, and I take a shot or whatever, I always have a straight face. And that like freaks people out. They're like, what is wrong with you? Like everyone around me like does that face that's like that face. But I'm just like, what is this cat doing? Jada! So a lot of people don't really expect me to be a certain way because of how I look. Yeah, especially when I tell people I have a YouTube channel and they're like, oh, what do you do, makeup? And I'm like, no. Well, sometimes, but no. So, yeah, guys. This is gonna be the end of my mukbang. I know I didn't eat every single thing that was on this, you know, table. But, honestly, guys, I used to love Domino's to the death of me. You could ask anybody that I know. I would always order Domino's to my job just to, you know, eat it. I would have cheesy bread all the time. And then I got into the pasta. And now my body, as I get older, my body's like, I do not want this shit. Anyway, yeah. My body's like, I don't want this. Do not put this in me. I do not need it. I don't want any. Anyway, guys, I hope you know, loved this video or liked it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Comment down below what video ideas you have for me or suggestions of videos you guys would like to see. Subscribe if you have not and ring that bell so you get a notification. Sorry. Ring that bell. Ring my bell. Ring my bell. Sorry. What was I gonna say? Ring that bell so you get a notification whenever I post a video so you don't miss an upload. January, I'm not going to be working as much, so I'm going to have so much more time to film content for you guys. And I'm so freaking excited. So make sure you subscribe. Okay, thanks. And then, yeah, so that's it for this mukbang and my TED Talk. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.